girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a great song for you guys. Myles Smith, My Mess. Alright, we have this cool thing going on there, just straight strumming as well. So if you want to start with that, easier part, and you can do that and play that through the entire song pretty much, but we can also go and level up with this picking pattern. Let's do this together. We have the capo on second, absolute best scenario for us. And with that, I believe we have 4 chords. So let's start with the chords. We're going to start with A minor. And you will see the pattern here. We have this added G notes and the high E string with us through the entire song pretty much. So we have this A minor and it goes open A, second G, D, second G, first B, and this added third E. All right. That's the first chord. The next one is the GB chord. Okay, so it's a kind of a transition chord. You go from second A to open D, open G, third B, and that third E. Next is the C. And yes, it goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and third E. And then we also have the F chord. I think the technical name is F add 9 with this added third E. So it goes third D, second G, first B, and third E. So there you have the 4 chords needed for the song. Now let's start with the strumming pattern so you have that straight. If you add this A minor chord to the fretboard, you're going to play like this for 1 round, okay? So 2 downs first. I like to separate the 2 downs. The first down really on the bass string to mark out the chord, and then the next one you answer down there. I think that is a sweet thing to do. It kind of gives the strumming color to its difference and just goes all the way downs and ups. So the first 2 downs like this, and then you just play up, down, up to finish up. So down, down, up, and a couple rounds. All right, so there we have the strumming. Now let's go into the verse play, and just with strumming, you're gonna play A minor 3, then the GB 1. Then C, 3, and back to GB 1. That will be 1 chord progression round. So like this. Again, A minor, 3, GB 1, C 3, and GB 1. That is how you play with just straight strumming. But then we have this added note to it, a melody, and it goes something like this. And then you play the strumming, okay? So what you're gonna play here is A minor 3, and these GB chords, they will be replaced with this melody. So this melody is like the GB, so you play A minor 3, melody, then C 3, and then melody. That will be 1 round of chords. So how do you play it? You're gonna go from the 3rd fret B string and slide up to 5th B. So you don't pick that 5th B, you will work with the slide. So you just pick that 3rd B, slide up to 5th, and then from that point you're gonna pick the open high E, because that is the same note as this 5th B, but we alternate these 2 notes because we want the speed. You don't want to hammer on the same string. You will have to work too much for that. So you play alternate. That gives you the speed and the relaxation you need to handle this in a speedy way. And I'm not really 100% comfortable with this yet. It's pretty new, the song for me. So I gave it perhaps 15 minutes or so. So I need to practice this more to have the speed. But it goes like this. To 5th, and then you play the open high E, and then back to 5th B, and then again the open high E, and then you play to 3rd B again, and first B. So slowly like this. Okay, so again, third B, slide up to fifth, open high E, fifth B again, then open high E, then back to third B and first B. So, and that third B to first B, I do the pull off technique there, so I don't pick both of them. I pick the third B, and then I snap it off. I pull off like this, and I have that first B in behind there prepared to get that note. Okay, you see? I don't pick it with my right hand. So, and then you are on place to have the next chord. Remember, we played A minor and the C, and both of these two chords have this first fret B string within the chord. So once you played, you come to this point, pull off that, you keep that first fret B string to get to the chord. A minor or C, doesn't matter, you have that prepared. So or so. So slowly, one round with melody goes. So on. All right, so that is the thing going on there, and that is the verse play. Now over to chorus, we have that at 35 seconds in. Oh sorry and so you're gonna play now just downs with F chord, then A minor, and then G actually, and I think we forgot to go through that chord. Yes we did. So that is third fret E string, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. I think we forgot that in the intro here. So in any case, that's how you play it. So you're gonna play F, one down with pause, and imagine you played 2 string rounds. That is the length of the pause. So 2, then A minor, G. The pauses in between the A minor and G is as if you would play 1 string round. So those pauses are shorter. So the first one is F, then A, G, F, A, G. You play 4 rounds with that, and that is the first chorus. Then back to the second verse, you play that in the same way for 4 rounds. Melody or without, just strumming, it's up to you. Then you come back to this second chorus. You play this F, A minor, and G for 8 rounds now. The first 4 you're going to play in the same way as the first chorus with pauses in between, only 1 down per chord. The last 4 you're going to play them with strumming. So that means, again, F, 2 string rounds, A minor, 1, G, 1, like this. And so on. All right, that is the second chorus. And after that comes the bridge part at 2 minutes and 19 seconds in. What you're going to play here is to play A minor 12 rounds. Okay. Then GB 4 and C 16. Okay. So 12 rounds of that, and then GB4, C16, and you're just gonna play downs there for the bridge, okay? So no strumming, just downs. And then you're gonna jump back to the outro, and you're gonna finish off this song to play in the same way as you played the first chorus, you know, the 4 rounds with downs in between F, A, and G. And that, my friends, is how you handle it. Myles Smith, My Mess. Nice song. Practice that speedy melody. It's a challenge for you guys. Start slow, work gradually up in speed. Good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. The next time, play tuned.